Hey there everyone, welcome back. And today we are going to be doing another question from the TMUA of 2023. And so we're given a triangle XYZ, and we're given one of its angles and two of its side. And so we're told to find the ratio of the two areas of the triangle. Alright, so starting off, we are going to be drawing a triangle representing x, y, and z. Alright, so we already know that angle x is equal to 30 degrees. We know that xy is square root of 3 times a. And we know that yz is equal to a. And over here, we're basically asked to find the missing sides. And there will be two answers, as a matter of fact. And you'll see later why. Alright, so to solve for the missing side, we are going to be using the cosine rule, if you guys remember. So a squared is equal to square root of 3 times a squared plus xz squared minus 2 times square root of 3 times a times xz cos 30 degrees. That looks weird. So let's just assume that xz is equal to n, so you guys can have a much more I guess a much more neater and more polished working. So I'm just gonna rewrite this. There you go. I think this looks way better. Okay, so we're gonna expand this equation. So squared plus n squared minus 2 times square root of 3 times n 1/2. Wait, no. Am I dumb? Okay, square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so we are now going to be simplifying this equation. So a squared is equal to 3a squared plus n squared minus 3 times a times n. So now we are going to be rearranging the equation. We are going to be transposing a squared to the other side. So n squared minus 3an plus 3a squared minus a squared. I don't know why I'm confused with this. Okay, so pardon me. We can simplify this. So n squared minus 3an plus 2a squared is equal to 0. Yeah, don't forget about that. So now, if you guys may have or may have not noticed, we have a quadratic equation, and we can turn this into n minus 2a times n minus a. So we have two solutions. The first solution for n is 2a, and our second solution over here is a. So we have two answers for x and z. So our first solution for xz is 2a, and our second solution for xz is 8. Alright. So now we are going to be finding the area of these two triangles, S and T, let's say. So, just want to recall, we are going to be finding the area using 1/2 AB sine C. So we already know that C is 30 degrees. A is, let's say, square root of 3 times A. And we have two answers for B, okay? Our first one is 2A, and our second one is A. So basically, for our first area, we are going to be having 1/2 times square root of 3 times A times 2A sine 30 degrees. Let's just say this is S. And for our second area, we'd have 1/2 times square root of 3 times A times A sine 30 degrees. And so we're basically just told to find the ratio of the first area and the second area, or yeah, S and T. And so we don't really need to solve this equation. We can just hold up. We can just rewrite this. All right, and we can just cross the like terms. And so we have 2/1. So the ratio is 2:1. So our answer over here is B. So I'm planning to make a series for this, but I'm still not sure. I'm still trying to expand my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you guys have any inquiries or any questions, you can always contact me on my Instagram. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys learned something new. Bye.